Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this video we will create a part in which we using circular pattern feature. So let's create. I select front plane, sketch, normal, line command, right click, select option, make it construction geometry. From here to here, this is 70 mm, 20 mm, 50 mm, 20 mm, this is also 20 mm, 20 mm, and this one is 10 mm. Okay, right click, select option, select this point and select this point, make horizontal, also 20 mm. Select this line, make vertical, click this relation, come back from the sketch, go to revolve command, revolve about 360 degree. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Here we create a circle, select center of circle, select horizon, make horizontal, give it some dimension, 110 mm, mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut, through all. Okay. Now go to a circular pattern feature, select this edge, select this cut feature, enter 6 number of instances. Okay. Now give it some color. Edit appearance, green color. Okay. So this is the example of the circular pattern feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.